Anyway, I am here to show you a quick craft kit pattern thrift store haul, and I thought these were pretty cool, so I just wanted to share those and show you what you can find at thrift stores that I think, I've showed you before a couple of cross-stitch kits that I found. If you go and you look, and which is what I do when I'm Ubering, I kind of drive past one, and if I don't have a rider and I need to stretch my legs, I get out and I stop and I go into the thrift stores. So this stack here I picked up at one thrift store, and I paid $15 for all of these. And part of that has to do with I showed up on a day that it was white tags, and so a lot of these that are white tags, I just got 50% off. These three are from Buttermilk Basin Design Company. This must have been seasonal patterns, missing the summer pattern. This is fall vintage, and bird must be the theme. And this one is the spring vintage sewing machine. And this one is the winter vintage sewing machine. And I don't see a date on these. I'm sure it shows it on the inside somewhere, but it's, anyone's guess on how vintage they are, but it could complete someone's collection if they were wanting to find these, and then they could probably find the other ones. I'm not going to keep these. I'll probably sell those on eBay. These are all from the Britter Cup designs for the Britty Kitty. These top ones here are from the monthly series, and it's obviously missing one of the series as well. So it's missing January, February. I don't know if somebody, started them and then obviously didn't, complete them, or maybe that was all they had. But this is March and April, and it is Lucky Cat and Bunny Hunt. And these are 2009 patterns. This one is the May and June, May Day, Perfect Pals. This is cute. The cat is laying on top of the other cat. The cats do that. This one is the July and August, Hide and Seek, and Chillin' in Paradise. This little martini. And this one is November, December, What a Turkey, and Waiting for Santa. I think they're very cute. Anyway, those are all cross-stitch, and I may keep those. Here are a couple of more, and these must have been maybe holiday themed or something. I'm not sure, because this says Liberty Road, so it would be like a 4th of July. And I don't know, this is April showers, so that might be April. I don't know what these were. This one's Britty Kitties, and this is Britty Kitties 3, so they obviously must have had a 2 at least. So I don't know what was in between. But if there's 3 for each pattern, it almost thinks like this could be Valentine's Day maybe, or something. I don't know. That's why I'm wondering. And then these have the charms in the back. And these are a little older. This one says 2005. This one I don't see a date on, but I would imagine it's around that same time. So barely vintage on these. These weren't quite vintage. I think that was 2009. These, of course, these orange tags I paid the full price for. If I showed up on Senior Citizen Day, I'd got a little additional price off. Ginger Sanchez, the Country Maiden. This looks like wool applique. And this is a 2004 pattern. This is Hatched and Patched, Christmas Berry Baubles. And this looks to me like this is wool applique as well. And that is 2008. This one is Heart to Hand. This is Making Felt Purses, Holiday Purse Necklaces. And this is 1999. Scraps of wool or felt is what it recommends. Angel, Santa, and Snowman. Cute. Classic Cats. It must have been a cat person. Cardin Originals. Of course, they're putting these appliques essentially on sweatshirts, but I don't know, you don't see that very much these days unless you're finding some vintage clothing. But you could definitely put them on a pillow or a bag. I think they'd be cute on bags. And I don't see a year on here either, but I'm sure that's vintage. Eleanor Peace Bailey, again, cats, and I don't know if you can see that because that is so dark. If I put a little light on it, maybe. I don't know. But it's Little Old Lady Originals cattails. Look what the cat drug in. It's cute. She's got these little, this little cat hanging from the bag. And I don't know what this one is. It might be just a little separate bag of some kind. Maybe just a smaller bag. I'm not sure. Cute. It's 1985, so very old. Here's another cat one. This one is another applique cat pattern. This one is so cute with those little cats. Aren't those cute? Bet Ashley Designs. Applique pattern. Seams apropos, it looks like. Morning Stroll. 1984. This one is just, looks like this leaf theme. Innovations. Ruth Powers. Third week in October. And Pretty Fall Leaves. This is 1997 quilt pattern. This one is the Quilted Closet Arctic Chill Zippered Vests, Mother-Daughter Design Series. And like I said, it's got that leaf pattern, and then it's got these little bears. These are so cute. And this is 1997, the Quilted Closet. This is an old McCall's Crafts, American Traditions. Looks like wall hanging, lots of kitchen stuff. Beginner's Choice, which is this placemat, chair, cushion, and table runner. It looks like there's a little apron. You can use some of the design on there too. And the entire pattern is in there. I looked. And this is 1995. So definitely a vintage McCall's pattern. This one I think I got at the Christian thrift store. And it's just a Priscilla Special Edition dresser, scarf, and doily set. Lace floral garland. It's stamped cross stitch. The kit includes the fabric and the lace, and then you have to use your own thread, obviously. But it's very pretty, I think. It's a 2002 kit, and I might keep this one. Elsa Williams Crewel Embroidery. I've never done crewel embroidery. I don't know if I love birds enough to learn crewel, but it includes the stamped pattern on this fabric of some kind. I don't know. It feels kind of rough. I don't know what that is. And then, of course, what you need to finish it, and then the yarn. And I took the price off because I don't remember how much that was. This one, of course, I got for $1.99. This I got at the Veterans Thrift Store. It's candle wicking, and you can seem to find a lot of candle wicking items in here. I was trying to get this, I don't know what that is, if that's grease or what, that won't come off, and it almost looks like it's on the inside, so I'm going to, and I don't know if I can get that off enough to try to sell that online. So I don't know. We'll have to see if I can get that off. But if not, then it'll just, I don't know what I'll do with it. Maybe practice candle wicking. I've never done candle wicking. Don't really want to do a pillow color, same color on the same color. But anyway, it was $8 originally. If you show up to the Veterans Thrift Stores on Sundays, everything is 50% off. So I got it for $4. But anyway, I just wanted to jump on long enough again to show you this haul and show you what you can find at thrift stores if you're looking for crafts for yourself or to resell. But anyway, take care, stay safe, and be kind.